Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. I'm excited because we have some brand new healthy recipes, plus I'm making carrot muffins today, which if you were a fan of my banana ones, you are gonna be a fan of these. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into breakfast because breakfast today was so yummy, so full of flavor. We had spinach, Sundreid tomatoes, and vegan feta, lots of protein with the eggs, and like a little gluten-free sourdough. It was so yummy. You could also meal prep this, do a huge batch of this and just cook a whole bunch of it, heat it up each morning during the week if you wanted, but let's go ahead and dive into that. So for breakfast, I'm gonna make this little egg dish. I'm gonna do some sun-dried tomatoes, some egg whites, vegan feta, spinach, bake it off, and it'll be kind of like this yummy, crustless type quiche. So we've had breakfast, walked the dog, got ready for the day, and I wanted to talk about LMNT because not only is it the sponsor of today's video, but I feel like it's just the quintessential thing of my life. I love it, my fiance loves it. I drink at least, well, definitely 1 pack, probably closer to 2 packs a day, at least like one and a half of like a citrus or a watermelon or a raspberry, and then another like half to 1 of the chocolate. They are so good. They are by far the cleanest electrolytes, and they have a science-backed ratio. That's why I love them. There's lots of like electrolytes you can get out there, but this ratio of sodium, potassium, magnesium is science-backed, so you actually know it's doing something, which is why it's so salty, because obviously we want our electrolytes to do something. So they are no sugar, no gluten, no dodgy ingredients, vegan-friendly, paleo, keto-friendly. I've been raving about this for probably well over a year now for a reason. I don't go a day without LMNT. It comes with me all over the world. I will never be without LMNT, to be honest. It's just changed my life. Whether it is hydrating in the summertime, whether it's hydrating in the wintertime after workouts, even just hydrating on a day-to-day basis, I find I pee a lot if I don't hydrate with electrolytes. So basically, if I'm drinking water, there's at least some element in it. Also helps with headaches, cravings in between meals, muscle aches and fatigues. If you live an active lifestyle, you need this. Also, if you eat a whole foods diet, like really clean, really healthy, you want to make sure your electrolytes are in balance to really nourish your adrenals and everything like that. So check out the link below. You'll get a free sample pack with every order, meaning even if you've ordered LMNT before, you can get some free LMNT, which is, there's nothing really better than free LMNT, to be honest. So check out that link below. Get the citrus and the raspberry for sure. If you love watermelon, get watermelon. I might honestly get the chocolate too, because I put that in lattes, smoothies for the summer. Ride or die, check out LMNT. There's just LMNT right here. Literally, if there was one sponsor that is just quintessential to keep up with Liv, it would be LMNT. So thank you, LMNT. Okay, so we are going to make lunch. I thought we were gonna go out and then come back and have lunch, but by the time we come back, I realized I'd be hangry. So we're just gonna eat lunch before we leave the house. So I'm gonna make a really quick, like, Asian barbecue ground chicken stir fry thing with rice, or no, well, cauliflower rice. It is so yummy, it's easy. I made this the other week and I was like, wow, I really like this. Essentially, it's like an Asian barbecue sauce put on top of some ground chicken. You also do ground turkey or your favorite plant-based meat. We throw in some basil in there, tons of flavor, cauliflower rice. It's gonna be yum. Okay, so this is everything for like our Asian barbecue sauce. I put in some of the amazing Dad's barbecue sauce. I like this one because it's organic, it's gluten-free, and all the ingredients are really clean. Some ground ginger, some tamari sauce, which is like gluten-free soy sauce essentially. A touch of maple syrup for sweetness, some garlic powder. We'll mix it all up and add this to some cooking ground chicken. I'm gonna make some carrot muffins. These are like a spin on my normal banana chocolate chip ones, but I made them carrot for Easter, and we've been making them every week since because they are so good. We literally just sub like a little bit less banana for a little bit of carrot. They don't taste really banana-y, they taste more like carrot, like a carrot cake muffin, and they're so moist and delicious, and they're packed with protein, so let's go make a little afternoon snack. Hi, Kashi. Yeah, say hi to everybody. You're on camera. All right, so it is time to make dinner. I'm making my normal chicken shawarma that I showed you before, but the kicker is I'm showing you guys how to make the best crispy potatoes. This method takes a little bit longer, but I promise it's worth it because the potatoes are the best potatoes I've ever had. And the secret is boiling them first in a little bit of baking soda. It makes them crispy, it makes the starch come out, and then we rough and tumble them. I'm going to show you. We're having delicious chicken, crispy potatoes, and then some broccoli because, you know, greens. The potatoes are out, and I'm just gonna give you some ASMR. Like, we can hear how crispy they are. So yum. And then I like to put on some of this tahini onto the broccoli. And there is our finished dinner bowl. We have the crispiest potatoes, which I'm so excited for. Shawarma chicken, broccoli, protein, fiber, love it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Do not forget to check out LMNT in the link down below to get your free sample pack, and definitely try all of these recipes because they are quick, they are easy, they are healthy, and they taste delicious. So what more could you want? With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.